when production is concerned, the quality of milk is also concerned for manufacturing good quality milk and milk products. So, what are the practices for clean milk production so that we can get good quality milk? So, first of all, is clean cows and cow environment. There should be good housing facilities and housekeeping facilities there in the dairy farm. So, first of all, you should clean udders and clean utensils and use proper cleaning chemicals, check water quality, cool milk quickly, adoption of proper hygiene measures, dry cow therapy should be used, quick diagnosis and appropriate therapy of affected animals during lactation, segregation and culling of chronic infected animals. You should remove that chronic infected animals from the lot of animals so that it should not infected the other animals. So monitoring other health status regularly, because if the animal has been gripped with the mastitis, so you should see the animals for the its good health. So now the question is, from where you will get the good quality dairy animals, because the animals have to produce the milk, and the good quality animals will give you the more profits because their yield will be more, productivity will be more. So for selection of good quality animals, so first of all the question is whether cow is to be kept and buffalo is to be kept. If we see that the comparison, so good quality cows are available in the market and it costs is around 30,000 to 80,000 per liter of milk production per day. And if you see that in India we have good buffalo breeds like Murrah and Mehsana, which the suitable for commercial dairy farms. And in case of cow, the proper care is given. Cows breed regularly, giving one calf every in a 13 to 14 month interval. And in case of buffalo, has more demand for making butter and butter oil, ghee, as where the products which need more fat. For those products, the buffalo milk is required in the market. So in case of cow, the cows are docile and can be handled easily. Good milking yield, crossbreeds, Jersey crosses has well adapted to the Indian climate situation. And on the other hand, buffalo can be maintained on more fibrous crop residues, hence scope for reducing feed cost. And again, coming to the cow, the fat percentage of cow's milk varies from 3% to 5%, which is lower. And whereas in case of buffalo, the fat percent is more than 6%, and wherever the fat is required, so buffalo milk is required. So you have to see whether the buffalo milk is more required in that area or the cow milk is required more in that area. This way you can select the animals. So now for selection of animals, which are the factors which affect the price? How much price you have to give, what you have to see in the dairy animals. So if you see that which are the factors important for price determination, you take into consideration like the udder attachment and placement. This is also very important factor which affect the price of the animal. Whether the animals having female calf or male calf, this also affect the price. So main important factor is the milk yield. Higher milk yield animals are costly. And if the order of lactation, you should not select animals which are having 5th and 7th order of lactation, because less order of lactation means the animals are young. And stage of lactation, whether they are in the first 3 months of milk production, second 3 months, so you have to select those animals which are having the first or second stage of lactation. And the general appearance also matters in the selection of animals and fixation of price. And type of breed is also very important. So these are some of the factors which you can consider for fixing the price or purchasing the animals. Now, which are the agencies involved in Haryana or Punjab? You say that some producers are also breeders. They are producing good quality animals and selling to the farmers and entrepreneurs who want to do business, dairy business. So there is a scope for getting good animals. There is a scope to get good animals from the milk producers who are farmers also and milk producers also. There are some wholesale dealers. They purchase the animals from the farmer and tied the animals in a one place, and then you can go and see the animals with your, you can go with your experts. You can select a good quality animal from the wholesale dealers also. So some nomadic dealers also there They do not sit one place, they do not stay at one place. So they move around the villages and purchase the animals and also sell the animals to the farmers. So Haryana and Punjab is the good states where you can get the good quality animals, crossbred cows as well as the graded Murrah buffalo or Murrah buffaloes. Both type of animals are there in the Haryana and Punjab. So you should avoid the local cattle because local cattle productivity is less, and if its productivity is high, only you select those local cows which are having higher productivity. So Murrah quality buffalo gives higher milk. This is an also important meat animals also. So this type of buffaloes are exported from Haryana to other states, and this is a very important breed for Haryana. And one Haryana cow is also there. So this is, and Sahiwal cow is very good cow for rearing on the dairy farm.